You think that's enough? Look, he's only drank that much. Shannon, you think that's enough?
Can you handle more, Isaac, or are you too wasted? Huh?
Isaac, he's too wasted.
Are you too wasted?
You want me to throw up on you and you?
Take it, Isaac. Take the whole
Take
shot.
it. There's Isaac getting his first shots.
Here, Isaac, take another.
Fine. This is my last one.
Oh, do you have to drive tonight? How does that Uncle Chafin act when he drinks a whole bunch? You have to act like Uncle Chafin. How does Uncle Chafin act when he drinks a whole bunch, Isaac?
I don't know.
All right, shut it up.